Driving becomes more convenient when you have the right gadgets in your car. I have listed the best 20 Amazon car gadgets that can help upgrade your vehicle in simple but useful ways. These gadgets are great for improving safety, comfort, and everyday use. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Telux Jump Starter. Featuring a 2500 amps peak current, 66.6 watt-hours battery, 120 psi air compressor, QDSP smart technology, and 8 safety protections, the Jump Starter is a versatile tool for vehicle emergencies. It can start 12-volt vehicles up to 50 times, inflate tires rapidly, and charge mobile devices. The LCD digital gauge displays real-time data, while the compact design ensures portability. Its robust construction and intelligent features make it a reliable companion for drivers. In the garage outdoor car shield. Equipped with heavy-duty PVC panels, continuous filtered airflow, and resistance to UV, fire, cold, and heat, the outdoor car shield offers superior protection. It sets up in minutes, ensuring nothing touches your car, and reduces condensation to keep the vehicle dry and clean. Ideal for all-year outdoor use, it safeguards against inclement weather, scratches, dents, and rodents, providing a stable environment for your vehicle. Kunatsuri car door handle. With a 400 pounds load capacity, anti-rust forged steel construction, and a non-slip PVC grip, the car door handle offers safety and comfort. Its ergonomic design assists users in entering and exiting vehicles, while the multifunctional features include a seatbelt cutter and window breaker for emergencies. The adjustable strap ensures compatibility with most cars, and its compact size allows easy storage in the glove box or door pocket. Olahide cordless tire inflator. Delivering 150 psi, powered by a 5400 mAh battery, and featuring dual power modes, the cordless tire inflator ensures fast and efficient inflation. It can inflate a 195, 65 R15 tire to 35 psi in about a minute and supports 12 tire inflations per charge. The LED display with automatic shutoff prevents overinflation, while the compact design, multiple attachments, and emergency LED light enhance its portability and usability. Ride King's Car Duster. Featuring a telescoping handle, 100% cotton fibers, and a large mop head, the car duster provides efficient cleaning for large vehicles. Its paraffin-treated strands effectively remove dust and pollen without water, making it ideal for dry environments. The soft fibers are gentle on all surfaces, preventing scratches, while the detachable handle and included storage cover ensure easy portability and storage. To enjoy car door step. Constructed from high-quality aluminum with a 400 pounds load capacity, the car door step features a scissor lock structure and 5 gear adjustments for stability. Its rubber wheels protect the car door frame, while the anti-slip surface ensures safety during use. The upward design provides additional height, facilitating easy access to the vehicle's roof for loading cargo or cleaning. Yolani automatic car umbrella. With automatic remote control operation, a Y-shaped frame, and durable Oxford fabric with PU silver coating, the car umbrella offers all-season protection. It opens in 8 seconds and installs in 30 seconds, providing stability with suction cups and adjustable windproof ropes. The detachable battery charges via the car's cigarette lighter, offering up to 2 months of use, while the soft rubber prevents car scratches. Epoyam programmable LED sign. Featuring RGB beads, Bluetooth app control, and customizable text with emojis, the programmable LED sign offers vibrant and eye-catching displays. Its flexible, lightweight design allows easy storage, while the included sticky tape ensures secure installation. The sign consumes minimal power and provides a user-friendly interface for creating personalized messages, making it ideal for vehicles, stores, or events. Hota Trunk Organizer. Offering 69-liter of storage with 2 large compartments, 6 mesh pockets, and a built-in leak-proof cooler, the trunk organizer keeps your vehicle tidy. Made from sturdy Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it can bear over 60 pounds. The adjustable design allows flexible configuration to fit various spaces, while the foldable cooler compartment with PVA lining keeps items fresh during travel. Geoda Car Armrest Box. Crafted from PU and ABS materials, the car armrest box provides comfort and additional storage space. It alleviates driving fatigue by supporting the elbow and offers compartments for daily items like cash, cards, and phones. The easy-to-install design fits between the seat and center console without affecting the parking brake, ensuring convenience and functionality without altering the car's structure. Shawinigan Overland Kitchen. Featuring a versatile design that mounts on any terrain, grass, mud, hills, sand, rocks, or pavement, the Overland Kitchen offers an all-in-one pull-out platform for washing, chopping, and cooking. With an open size and a folding size, it accommodates most two-burner stoves. Included are 2 ratchet straps, a folding sink, support rod, trash bag holder, utensil hooks, and a paper towel holder, making it ideal for overlanding and car camping. Doona car seat and stroller. Transforming from a car seat to a stroller in seconds, this travel system ensures seamless mobility without disturbing your sleeping child. Its adjustable handlebar, washable materials, and intuitive design offer ease of use, while the ergonomic insert supports your baby's body alignment. Safety features include 3-layer side impact protection, anti-rebound bar crash technology, and a 5-point harness. Built with premium-grade materials, it's certified for rear-facing car seat, stroller, and infant carrier use. Spedal wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Designed for cars with factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this adapter enables wireless connectivity with compatible iPhones and Android devices. Its plug-and-play setup requires no apps or drivers, and it auto-reconnects upon starting the car. The sleek, ultra-compact design fits snugly into USB ports, even in tight spaces, ensuring durability and preventing disconnections. It supports over 600 car models, enhancing your driving experience with seamless smartphone integration. Rabbit Goo Dog Car Net Barrier. Ensuring a safe driving experience, this dog car barrier prevents pets and children from accessing the front seat. Installation is quick and tool-free, using sturdy polyester stretchy cords and metal hooks for durability. Beyond its barrier function, it doubles as a storage bag for bottles, umbrellas, tissues, and books, keeping your car tidy and essentials within reach. It's a practical solution for maintaining order and safety during trips. Land Air Sea GPS Tracker. Offering real-time GPS tracking with updates as fast as every 3 seconds, this tracker maps movements via web-based software or the Silver Cloud app. Its motion-activated design conserves battery life, while the ultra-compact build and internal magnet allow discrete attachment to vehicles or assets. With a waterproof IP67 rating and a lifetime warranty, it provides reliable location tracking and peace of mind for various applications. Orgola Car Window Shades. Featuring double nylon mesh, these car window shades block sun glare and heat, protecting passengers from sunburn and reducing car temperature. They cover the entire exterior window frame without adhesives, allowing windows to roll down freely. Easy to install with stretchy, tear-resistant nylon mesh, they are lightweight, foldable, and storable. Additionally, they offer privacy by making it difficult to see inside the car from the outside. XOOL Electric Car Fans. Equipped with dual 360-degree rotatable fan heads, this 12-volt electric car fan efficiently expels hot air, providing immediate cooling for rear seat passengers and pets. Its adjustable base and stepless speed regulation allow personalized airflow control. Ideal for enhancing air circulation, it removes moisture from windshields and reduces unwanted odors. Compatible with most vehicles, it plugs into the cigarette lighter socket for easy use. Lebogna Steering Wheel Tray. This multipurpose steering wheel tray hooks onto the bottom of the steering wheel, creating an ergonomic table for eating or working. One side features a deep surface with a cup holder for meals, while the other offers a flat surface with a pen slot for work. Measuring 16.5 inch x 11 inch x 1 inch, it's sturdy enough to support a laptop or full lunch. Slim and lightweight, it stores easily when not in use. Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. Providing complete gap coverage around the seat belt catch, this seat gap filler prevents items from falling between the car seat and center console. Attaching via a built-in slot, it moves with the seat, eliminating the need for readjustment. As seen on Shark Tank, it's the original patented design that lasts a lifetime. Each package includes 2 fillers, driver and passenger sides, a slide-free pad, and an LED credit card light. Joy Tutu's Car Sun Visor Sunshade Extender. Designed to block sun and glare, this sun visor extender protects eyes from strong rays, enhancing driver safety. It blocks sunlight in 3 directions, left, right, and below, and features adjustable loops with a non-slip elastic belt to fit various sun visor sizes. The design ensures the makeup mirror remains unobstructed, and a unique storage area holds 3 cards and 2 pens. Easily foldable, it offers convenience and improved visibility. Driving just got a serious upgrade. These 20 Amazon car gadgets are built to boost your ride with smarter tech, added safety, and next-level convenience, perfect for turning any vehicle into a modern road warrior's dream. Want to gear up your car with these awesome finds? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss out on our newest content, tips, and reviews.